Hello people, and welcome to the 7th tutorial of Twitter Bootstrap. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can create buttons with icons using Twitter Bootstrap. So let's get going. So first of all I will define a div tag. So the class for the div tag I will use is, well, just to give it a nice little background. So closing div tag. So in between div tag I will define all my buttons. So we define a normal button, opening button tag, and the closing button tag, and the name of the button I'll say delete. Okay, so the class which I will give it to my button is btn danger. So this will give us a nice red color button. So let's run it in a browser and see how does it look like. Okay, so it looks like this. So how can we use icon on this button? So we want to use a trash can icon on this button. So let's see how can we do that. So back in our text editor. So after the opening tag of our button, we will use another tag which is called I tag. So opening I tag and the closing I tag. And now in the opening I tag we'll use a class, and the class will be icon hyphen and the name of the icon you want to be displayed on your button. So in my case is trash, and then space icon hyphen, and you can choose the color, whether you want a black color icon or a white color icon. So I want a white color icon on my red color button. So let's run and test it. So there you go, you have no icon on your button. So I have a trash can icon. So this is how you can use icon on your button. So let's just copy and paste and create 2-3 more buttons, so you have a little bit idea how you can create. So I'll use a normal button. Let's use a btn hyphen large. So I'll use a large button. Okay, so the class, so the text on the button will be, let's say, leave comment. So if you have a comment button on your website, so you want to give a comment icon, so what you need to do is in your I tag for the class we use icon hyphen comment, and I want the color to be black. So let's run it in the browser and test it. Now there you can see you have a large button with the text leave comment, and you have a comment black color icon on it. So this is how you create buttons with icons. So let's just create one more button. So we will create a refresh button. So for instance, you have a website which have a backend database, and you want user to refresh the website to have records updated. So you can give a refresh button, so you can have a refresh icon on the button. So how to do that? So I will use a normal button, class btn, and the button text will be refresh. So the icon will be icon hyphen refresh. It will be a black color icon. So let's run it, and there you go, you have a normal button with a refresh icon on it. So this is how you create buttons with icons in Twitter Bootstrap. So what we do is we create a normal tag, button tag, and then you can use different classes for the button. Either you can have large button, danger button, or normal button. So, and then after the opening tag of the button we use a I tag. So opening I tag and closing I tag. So in the opening I tag we define the class, and we tell what type of icon do we want on our button using icon hyphen name of the icon, and then either we tell it we want either black color or white color icon on our button. So this is how you define buttons with icon, from where this Bootstrap is taking those icons. So remember in the first tutorial when we downloaded Bootstrap, so let me go to our folder. So remember we had this img folder. So if we go to this icon, so there are all the icons available to us in Bootstrap. So you can see there's a trash can icon, and you have all of them like message, forward, play, stop, all these icons you have available. So you can use these icons using the same strategy here, using the I tag. So this is how you use icons on the buttons, or you can use icons on the navigation bar as well in the same way. So that's it for this tutorial, and if you have any question regarding this tutorial, drop me an email at creativeeditors@gmail.com. and thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.